In this video guide, I will instruct you about the danger of Seowebguide.xyz pop-ups. These are relatively new pop-ups that now have started attacking many browsers, and in particular Google Chrome is under the main attack, the main target. Now, these pop-ups claim that you need to install some Flash SD app, and it's very annoying. This pop-up, it tries to make you think that you need some ad blocker to be activated. However, well, there is a decent ad blocker software, but this is a fake ad blocker. There is no any ad blocker enabled after the people install this extension. So when they actually click on the button to enable this supposed ad blocker, they automatically end up installing this Cookie Editor Pro extension, and it will change a lot of browser settings. It will start redirecting the browser to all kinds of suspicious websites. So when you submit some search queries, you will notice that the results are delivered by some weird third-party search engine not related to any decent search. So be careful. It was surely a mistake to install that extension, and if you have done such a mistake, you need to do the following. Go to the browser menu, click on More Tools, Extensions. Now you will find this Cookie Editor Pro extension, deactivate it and remove it. Once this has been done, I also recommend that you scan your Mac computer with Combo Cleaner and antivirus. It's important because your Mac could be additionally infected by some adware type program. So combocleaner.com, that's the website you need to go to download the software from. Once this is done, start the application from your launchpad and click on this Start Combo Scan button to begin the detailed research and investigation of your Mac. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner antivirus. At the end of scan, you will see the detailed analysis of your system, giving you a chance to apply several functions and several improvements, even in the trial mode. For instance, the disk cleaner, big files and duplicates. These are free features to use, so you may review the results and fix these issues manually, even in the trial mode. As for the antivirus part, it's the component of the premium license only. However, the program has performed free scanning of your Mac, so you may click on Review Results and find the location of each threat one at a time and get rid of it manually. Or you may enjoy the premium license of the program, which will help you to remove all threats automatically from your Mac.